Good afternoon. This is Love Lady's Garden Projects and More. We're going to do a segment on Q&A. You have an opportunity to ask me any question pertaining to my garden style or my project bills. And also, we'll throw in canning. So, if you have any questions you would like for me to answer, please put them in the comments below, or you can email me at loveladiesgardening@gmail.com. And that Gmail is spelled LOVELADYSGARDENING@gmail.com. Looking forward to answering your questions. I'm going to hold off for about a week. Today is Tuesday, September the 22nd. So we will look at maybe next Tuesday. How about that? So we may do it live, or I may do a video with your questions. Thank you. Have a great day. Blessings.